platform, I'm trying to create 9,000 franchisees pan India. And these 9,000 franchisees are going to be on a very simple term, where the investment is only between 7 to 10 lakh rupees. The break-even point is between 45 to 60 days maximum. And the return of investment is maximum between 90 to 110 days. And the average minimum profitability, once people join me, is nothing less than 75 to 80 lakh rupees per year. This is a very exciting, very innovative, very visionary plan which I have created. So anybody who would like to join me, it will be a great pleasure to be a part of that. Second of all, I would like to say, just in case for any reason you all cannot join me because you all don't have funds, or basically you all are busy in your own business, and if somebody makes someone join my mission, somebody makes somebody join my business, I will give them 1 lakh rupee as royalty and appreciation for getting me that sensible person who can join me. So please do join with me. I put my details on the chat box. I'll put them once more a little later. So my name is Vikas Chawla from Mumbai. Thank you very much for getting me on your panel, Deepakji. God bless you. Thank you.
Vikasji, any suggestion how to take things forward?
Last time when we had discussed on this panel, I am very sure that this platform is going to go very big. But everything has to start small. Everything has to start with baby steps. You all have already taken the baby steps of accumulating sensible people on your group. I will suggest to start membership at lower levels, wherein people just jump in to be a member. Whatever the amount you all want to keep. I have got one message from Deepak ji regarding the membership, but that is high. I feel that is high. That is my suggestion. What you should do is right now just accumulate at least 257 paid members in your group. Now, whether you take 1,000 for 3 months or you take 1,000 for 6 months or whatever you want to do that. So, or even if you want to keep the 6,000, 8,000, to divide it into 4 issues. Okay, first quarter में पहले आप 2,000 बन के join करो, see the feel and then join. So keep it as a feel way basis. Let us feel the group. Let us see how the group is reacting to us and how the people are reacting to us. If that happens, I'm sure this group is going to grow well, and I would love to be a part of this group, no matter what it is. So let's do it that way. Yeah, thanks.
Great, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Aditya, sir.
Yes, sir. So how much time do I have, sir? 30 seconds, 45 seconds?
30, 40.
Hey, good evening, friends. This is Aditya from Hyderabad. I'm into exclusive residential furniture and decors. We curate products from around the world. We deal in, we import sofas from Turkey and do present furniture from Southeast Asia. We have the largest bar cabinet collection in India in wood, metal, and leather. We are into all weatherproof outdoor furniture, exclusive dining tables, and customizable barbecue table. We are also into a lot of wall and table decors, artifacts, paintings, designer clocks, and we cater to architects, interior designers, and to hospitality consultants.
Sir, any suggestion for Unstoppable?
Nothing, sir. That is unstoppable. So nothing to say.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Meghna, ma'am.
Well, good evening to everybody. I'm Meghna Shah, an edupreneur by profession, and we are into teaching all the foreign languages to all age groups. So whoever's interested in learning a new language, it's like a stress buster in this corona field just now what we are having. So get out of that stress of corona and keep updated with by learning a new language. So at Crisscross Lingo, we have all the languages, foreign languages as well as Sanskrit, and we have entered even the regional language market for all age groups. So please, I'm from the Crisscross Lingo is based at Ahmedabad. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Any suggestions?
Suggestions, everything is quite okay. I don't have anything for it. It's a nice group. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am. Rahul?
Hi. Is this the same Rahul you're referring? Rahul Lekurare?
Yes, please. You can continue, please.
Yeah. Hi, this is Rahul Lekurare from Pune, and I'm into IT business, software solutions, websites, and mobile applications. I'm here to help or get your inputs on how to grow, and typically if you need some help from me in terms of softwares, websites, mobile applications, please reach out to me. And basically this is a really good group. I have joined from March, April, I guess, and I have been getting inputs from all the team members, and a really nice group. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rahul. Ekmit sir. Ekmit sir.
Hi, so sorry, I was on mute. So
Okay.
I run a small design and build firm based out of Delhi. This is a part of our extension of my family business. We've been in construction for the last 35 years.
Meeting
Sorry. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, continue, sir.
Okay, so this has progressed out of a 35-year-old construction organization that my father started. Now we have worked for quite a lot of influential people in the past, working also currently. I do date back my relation with Mr. Deepak professionally for very long, and this is the only reason I'm here and part of this community. I feel for this community to grow, it will have to be grown locally. I feel everyone has requirements which are pretty much fulfilled on a local level rather than at a national level. So once this community grows, I think you will have to be present more locally rather than at a pan-India level. So people probably in Mumbai will be benefited more by other people in Mumbai rather than in Delhi. So that's my suggestion, and all the best to everyone who's part of this group.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot. Balchand ji. Mr. Balchand.
Hi, good evening to all. My name is Balchand. I am interior decorator from Bangalore. My company is based from 2008, and this is my family business, so that we are doing the interior work as well as model of furniture, everything. Even my company is in online in Amazon also, and India Mart also. We also have interior work for Bangalore and Mumbai also. We have done many projects in Kolkata also. We are getting in all over India also. We have our team around 100 people working in my team. And thank you very much for adding me to this group.
Thank you, Balchand ji.
Hello.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Balchand ji.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Jacob sir. John Jacob sir. Chaya Jain ma'am. Sorry. Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes, please. Chaya Jain ma'am. Yes.
Hello.
Anji,
Good evening to all. I'm Chaya from Gujarat, Surat. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Please
hear
continue.
me?
Yeah. Please continue, madam.
Yeah, I am interior designer, and I'm last from 8 to 9 years I'm doing this only in Gujarat only.
Great,
Hello.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Please continue.
Yeah, I'm doing only from Gujarat, Gujarat only.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Monica, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I'm Monica Ramaya. I recently opened an online venture named Monica Interiors, and I'm into freelancing designing currently. I have got a few projects also ongoing. So anybody if is requiring 3D designs and luxurious designs or any kind of designs can contact me. Thank you.
Thank you, Monica ji. Umesh Arora, sir.
Yeah, my name is Umesh Arora, and I'm into landscaping and organic farming consultancy. And we do projects, exterior development of townships, societies, factories, hospitals, institutes. And right now we are into how to grow vegetables on your terrace or in balconies. In the Corona time, we are just guiding people. And we are into trainings also. We conduct Mathly Club counseling sessions, and we help trainers to give a platform to connect to the masses. I belongs to Noida, and we do Pan India consultancy and trainings. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And, one of my suggestion is, as I'm joining this meeting for the first time, there is a suggestion that you can make a directory or kind of website so that everyone can, because nobody will remember the name and numbers and contact details. So it will be better if you can make a directory kind of. So everybody can see the location and the product they can connect. Because in Delhi there are many business networking groups are running, and everybody is having directory.
Okay, sir. Thank you for suggestion.
And keep the regular meetings, weekly or whatever.
Sir, we are currently meeting twice a week, Tuesday and Friday.
Okay, I've joined for the first time.
Yeah, I know, sir.
No, it's a request, दीपक जी, अगर जो members अपना introduction दे रहे हैं, उसके बाद chat box में अपना detail और नाम और number डाल देंगे, so everybody can keep a track of that. It is a request for everybody to do that, please. I can just request that, please.
Right. Good suggestion.
Vardhaki Design. Yes, please. Sir, your voice is not clear.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Okay. So myself, Venu Prasad. I'm an architect and I'm from Hyderabad. And my firm name is Vardhaki Design Studio. So basically, I started like 1 year back only. So I'm just like very new to everyone. So I'm trying to engage with as much as possible. So we do some execution and we do architectural designing stuff, interiors, landscaping, because I was into practice with all this stuff like interiors, architecture and landscaping, like in my like practicing like last 1 year. I was thinking like to get engaged with them as much as possible. That's the only thing. And I'm from Hyderabad, and this is Vardhaki Design Studio. Venu Prasad signing. That's it, sir. And my small suggestion is that if possible, then can you if possible, like if we categorize all the people in different category, like architects and interiors and landscaping, according with their profession, then it can be easy for everyone, like to if we want to check anyone like need something, so it will be easy for us, like everyone in same group with same with requirement. It get confused kind of a thing, like what sir the previous one sir said that make a dictionary like a that.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Rakesh Singh ji. Mr. Akhilesh Lekha.
Yeah, hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. Hi, this is Akhilesh Lekha. I represent a company called Divine Innovation. We are based out of Gurgaon. So I have two verticals of business. One is interior architecture, where we are on a mission to help our clients to get best interior design spaces with quality execution. Many of us know that our industry is so unorganized. काम कब शुरू कब होता है ये पता है, but when it gets finished nobody knows. Yeah, I'm sure many of us who are professionals help them, but normally experience is that people are fed up with many people in our fraternity. We are giving them a different experience, that predefined budget and predefined cost. So space planning and management is my expertise. My second vertical of business is modular furniture. So I have a factory in IMT Manesar where we manufacture all kind of modular furniture, sofas, chairs, and there my mission is to give all designers, corporates, uh, to give wings to their creativity. Whatever they design, we manufacture that. So I guess that's good enough for a small introduction today. With time, with the initiative you guys have taken, I'm sure we will get to know about each other more in meetings to come. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Nikita, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sorry, I joined little late. I was stuck in some other meetings.
Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you so much. This is Nikita Dinesh Desai. My company name is Papillon Resource Management Private Limited. I'm into the HR recruitment services and everything related to the HR policies, training, counseling, and everything. Since last 6+ years, we are running this business from Mumbai and serving to the pan-India location. Plus, I'm opening the branch in Nashik also very soon. I have a huge experience of 25 years from the corporate background, from the marketing and business development point of view. Presently, we are into the staffing solution, contractual manpower, deputation for the oil and gas, refinery, petrochemicals, manufacturing, IT, facility and banking and many more industries. My second vertical we started a year back, that is a telecalling outsourcing activity. If someone wants to take benefit of the call centers, we are there. My top 5 clients covers the Reliance Jamnagar, Petrofac, Jacob Engineering, Arkema Chemicals, Technimont, Technip, and many more corporate from the Mumbai. Unique selling point, I have the technical manpower right from the junior to senior. We close with the within the specified time. I'm looking for the HR connects who want to collaborate with me from the various destination. We are open for the lot of recruitment. In fact, my gives are also the same HR companies from the HR connections from the Mumbai and Pan India location. Once again, Nikita Desai, bringing living innovation is my tagline. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Any suggestion for how to grow this platform?
I think this is our first meeting as collaboratively. Today we all are meeting for the discussion mode. Last time Rajesh, Vikas Chawla ji and me, we were. So I think timing is a little bit issue. Being lady, that was the first and foremost problem for the ladies. If you can take it in a different, timing way, it is a like first my suggestion. If you change the timing, even if it is early morning, we are open for that kind of. I mean, timing is a little bit issue for me.
Okay.
So that is the first thing, and rest all we will discuss even within this forum.
Okay, man. Sure.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you,
Thanks.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Vrishali, ma'am. Vrishali, ma'am. John Jacob, sir. Mr. Ravi.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Vrishali here. I'm so sorry, I was talking on mute. I did not realize that.
Okay.
Yeah. Just a moment. Yeah. So hello everyone. I'm Vrishali. My company name is We Create, and we assist interior designers and architects to create beautiful spaces using wall graphics. We are into customized wall graphics. So we provide customized wall stickers, wall decals, vinyl wraps, canvas frames. So we provide any customized wall graphic requirements. And we cater to different industries like corporates, residential, hospitality. So be it any space, we will be able to give you the graphics, customized ones. Also, we just not just do the printing and installation. We will be with you right from the stage of providing concepts. So we also understand what is the space requirement, or where exactly is the installation going to happen, and based on that we come up with new concepts for you, so you do not have to give us anything. We will come with new concepts for graphics for that space from scratch. We have in-house designing team who do the designing, and we also have an in-house setup for printing and fabrication, and we also have in-house installers. So you'll get everything right from designing to installation. End-to-end services is what we will provide. So you can get in touch with me. I am based in Pune, but we provide services all across India, so that is not an issue. And if you're looking for any of the services independently, like only designing, we will be able to give you that. So, or if you have designs ready with you and you want us to do the printing and installation, we could do that as well. So that way we are quite flexible as well. So do get in touch with me. I'll be putting my details in the contact. Yeah. What I like about this group is this is a very unique group. You know, there have been so many different communities or associations or groups, but then I really find this group to be very unique because it is very specific with regards to the interior designers and architects. And, you know, this is a very nice way where we can nurture each other or help or be there for each other. And, you know, anything that is missing, we can provide to each other, is what I feel is the unique or the USB of this group. Yeah. Thank you for adding me to to this group. This is my second meeting that I'm attending, but I really like the way this has been everybody is taking this forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Sanjay sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please.
Hello. My name is Sanjay Mandor. I'm electrical contractor working in this field for last 30 years. My company name is, I have two companies. One is Cable Works and other is Gen Electronics. We also provide interior related products required for interior works. Yes. Hello.
Sanjay, your voice is not clear, Sanjay ji.
Hello, sir. Abhi aa rahi hai awaaz?
Right, aa rahi hai.
So, opposite give introduction, sir. Again, should I give again?
Please. Yeah.
Hello.
Please.
Yeah. Myself is Sanjay Mandor. Haji. Myself is Sanjay Mandor. I am an electrical contractor. For last 30 years, I am in this field. I have two companies named Cable Works and Gen Electronics, and I also supply interior related products which they require for interior designing work also. If anybody have any requirement, please do call me. I am there to give them my services.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Viral Patel.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Yes, good evening, everyone. My name is Viral Patel and I am into money recovery. अगर आपका क्लाइंट आपको पैसा नहीं दे रहा है टाइम पे, आज दूंगा कल दूंगा करके टाइम पे टाइम दिला रहा है, और आपका पैसा उसके पास अटका हुआ है और उस पैसे को लीगल वे से रिकवर करना है, तो हम आपकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं। पिछले 2 साल के अंदर हम लोगों ने तकरीबन 250 CR का मनी रिकवरी किया है अक्रॉस इंडिया। और अगर आप क्रेडिट पे बिजनेस करना चाहते हो किसी के साथ में और आपको डर लगता है कि मेरा पैसा वापस आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, तो उस डर को अपने अंदर से खत्म करने के लिए हम लोग सर्विस देते हैं क्रेडिट एश्योरेंस का। तो उस दोनों सर्विसेज के बारे में और डिटेल में जानने के लिए यू कैन कॉल मी एनी टाइम। आई विल पुट अप माय कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर इन द ग्रुप। दूसरी चीज जो ये इनिशिएटिव है अपने ग्रुप का, वो बहुत ही अच्छा है, काफी अच्छा है कि अलग अलग इंडिया के पार्ट से लोग ज्वाइन हुए हैं। तो पहले भी आई थिंक एक सजेशन दिया था कि टाइमिंग ऑफ द मीटिंग इज वी नीड टू वर्क अपॉन इट। ये लेट थोड़ा हो जाता है, अगर उसको हम दोपहर में या तो थोड़ा इवनिंग के टाइम पे 5 to 6 या 5 to 7 या तो फिर मॉर्निंग में कर सकते हैं तो अच्छा है। दूसरी चीज, ग्रुप को थोड़ा और वाइब्रेंट करने की जरूरत है। जैसे विकास सर ने बताया कि चार्जेस हम शुरू करें छोटे से, तो भी अगर चार्जेस शुरू करने हैं उससे पहले हमको जरूरत है कि ग्रुप को थोड़ा और वाइब्रेंट करना। ग्रुप के अंदर 250 लोग है फॉर एग्जांपल है ग्रुप के अंदर, तो हर कोई बंदा मैक्सिमम लोगों के बारे में डिटेल में जानना चाहिए, जरूरी है थोड़ा कि मैं कितने लोगों को जानता हूँ ग्रुप के अंदर, 5 लोग, 10 लोग, 15 लोग, 50 लोग। अगर मैं मैक्सिमम लोगों को जानूंगा तब जाके मैं अपने आप कन्विंस हो जाऊंगा कि ग्रुप का मेंबरशिप लेने के लिए जो भी वो रहेगा, वो बाय मंथली, बाय वीकली, सॉरी बाय क्वार्टरली या तो बाय ईयरली। तो मेरे 2 सजेशन है, टाइमिंग के ऊपर थोड़ा काम करना है और दूसरा ग्रुप को और थोड़ा वाइब्रेंट करना है। मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मीटअप रखते हैं, कुछ नया इनोवेटिव लेके आते हैं या कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो जो फाउंडर्स है वो शायद ज्यादा कर पाएंगे हमसे। थैंक्स एवरीवन।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट। दीपेश जी।
Hello,
यस प्लीज।
I am Dipesh Nolakha. Hello,
यस प्लीज, प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
I am Dipesh Nolakha from Pune. I am civil contractor. We do industrial and residential commercial projects. Plus, we do all road work and compound wall work. If anybody has any requirement, they can feel free to call me, and we will give them the best services. My company name is Jashraj Infra. It is based in Market Yard, Pune. Thank you.
या थैंक यू दीपेश जी। ईश्वर हेगड़े जी।
Yeah, good evening, everybody.
Yes,
I am
sir.
Ishwar Hegde, based in Mysore. We have an elevator company branches in Bangalore, Hubli, Davangere as well. So we do all type of elevators, escalators, chair lift, passenger lift, all type of lifts. We do maintenance also. Even other local brands, we are doing the maintenance. If anything, you can contact me in time.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you.
जॉनसन केवी। जॉनसन जी, मिस्टर जॉनसन।
Yeah, 1 second. Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Good evening to all. This is Johnson KV from Andhra Pradesh. I'm heading a team my company called Royalson Interiors. I'm taking care of all residential, commercial, turnkey projects. So interior related, as well as we are specialized in 3D epoxy flooring and 3D wall decors and all. Little bit civil works also we are taking care. We having end-to-end solutions. So from south side, if you require anything from any state, let me contact, so that we are also looking for alliances also. So anybody is interested to work, definitely we are most welcoming. Our company name is Royalson Interiors. I'm dropping all the details. So thank you so much for the great opportunity, Mr. Deepak ji. Thank you.
थैंक यू जॉनसन। जॉन जैकब सर, आपने अनम्यूट किया था। जॉन जैकब सर, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। जॉन जैकब सर।
Good evening. My name is John Jacob. I'm an architect. We are Oslo-based. We have about 25 years experience. We're into
So your voice is not audible, sir.
You're not audible, sir. John sir.
Residential villas, schools,
your voice is not
institutional
audible.
buildings, old age homes, which we work in central as well as. And yes, we work as well as residential area. Thank you.
John Jacob, sir, your voice is not audible. Can you introduce once again?
Hello.
Johnson, you can drop your introduction on a chat box. Your voice is not audible actually.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's now better.
You want me to introduce myself again?
Sir, you can drop your
Yes, sir.
introduction. Yeah, please continue. John sir, you can drop your introduction on a chat box because your voice is not audible.
Good evening. My name is John Jacob. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Mr. Sandeep.
Yeah, hi everyone. Myself Sandeep Sharma. I am into modular kitchens and wardrobe, and my company name is Concept Design. And we work in automations and Korean temple also. And we work in Delhi and NCR now, but we try to work in outside of Delhi also. But right now we do project in Delhi and NCR, and we make all factory finishes, kitchens and wardrobes. We have different kind of space saving solution also. We import some fittings in hardware, so we utilize your space in your kitchen, like breakfast tables you can pull out in from your drawer, kitchen drawer. And we have different corner solutions. We have sliding partition solution also. We have digital lock solution also. So there's all kind of solution we provide, and we are an importer of hardware, like handles, door handles, sliding fittings also. So if you have any query this kind of product, so you can contact me on my numbers, and also share my details. And we also make kitchens in stainless steel 304 grade. So if you want, if you are facing a problem with termite and water in your kitchen, so you can make your kitchen in stainless steel also.
Sir, you can drop your details in a chat box because there are a lot of members.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Nafisa ma'am.
दीपक जी जिनका म्यूट कर दो ना, आवाज पीछे टीवी के कुछ आ रही है, उनको म्यूट कर दो।
रितेश
Yes, same thing.
Mute कर दूं।
There are a lot of noise. Members, it is request to you, so you are not
please
talking
mute
anything.
yourself.
Just please mute. Listen properly.
Nafisa ma'am. Nafisa ma'am. सूरज जायसवाल जी, मिस्टर सूरज जायसवाल, अनम्यूट कर लीजिए प्लीज। अगर मिस्टर प्रसन्ना देशपांडे, प्राची आनंद।
I am audible.
Yeah, audible. You are audible.
Yeah, hi everyone. Myself Prachi Anand. My company name is Creative Hub, and we are into interiors in retail projects as well as residential also. We are, first of all, we were into retail projects. Now we have started interiors also in residence, and we do all this 3D, 2D designing as well as execution also. I'm from Ghaziabad. But my one suggestion is that कि like I have discussed with Mr. Deepak ji कि जो it's amount है जो भी joining का, because I also found it very good this group. बस थोड़ा amount अभी starting में हम थोड़ा सा less कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि एकदम से मेरे को भी कुछ इसके बारे में पता नहीं है, and like I have to join, so it's very tough for me to join in 4,000. I know 4,000 not a big amount, but still कुछ some fruitful things should come, then I can give such a amount. But in starting May, I think so 1,000 is more than enough for 3 months or 6 months, whatever you say. But my suggestion is that for this thing, nothing else.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mr. Abhishek. Mr. Prasanna. SAS. Mr. Batuk. Sir, unmute कर लीजिए please.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
So see, actually I am based in Lucknow, and for the last 35 years I am I am doing real estate business in Lucknow. Apart from that, operation and administration also. Main thing that I want to say that if anybody who wants to come to Lucknow, UP for their business purpose, I can help them very well. You see. Apart from that, real estate business which I am doing, they can take advantage of that also. If they want any property in UP, Lucknow, that is the thing. As far as help is concerned from UP, Lucknow, I can help anybody as we are from Pan India. So most of you people must be thinking of UP now, as Mr. Yogi ji is doing very well over here. So I think if anybody wants any help, that I can do. That's all I can say.
Please drop your number, Patuji.
Naturally, I will drop. Thank you.
Manish.
Hello. Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
please.
Yeah, good evening all. This side Manish Mittal. I'm based in Delhi, and my company is the GenX Safety and Security Systems. So we are basically dealing in all security products like in LV systems and all. It is a CCTV, surveillance system, fire detection, and also we do designing consultancy as well as we are taking care as a project for the system integration as well. So related to these all LV systems, that if anybody is looking any kind of help or any kind of support or any kind of project is available, definitely they can contact with me. Thanks.
Thank you, Manish ji. Nikita Bora ma'am. Nikita Bora ma'am.
Hi, am I audible?
Yeah, audible ma'am.
Yeah.
Audible,
Hi guys, I am Nikita Bora. I conducted a webinar. Sorry? Good evening. I had conducted a webinar on WhatsApp business. It was wonderful experience. I am a digital marketer. I help entrepreneurs to leverage digital media to increase business, and I am on a mission of helping 10,000 women entrepreneurs. And thanks to Ritesh ji, thanks to Deepak, I had an opportunity.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear actually.
Deepak ji, I really don't understand. पढ़े लिखे बंदे हैं इस group में. Why they can't mute themselves here? It's really pathetic.
Actually, yeah. Ritesh ji, am I audible?
Now it's better, ma'am. Now it's better.
Yeah. Sorry about that. I think some noise was coming in. Anyways, so as I was saying, thank you Ritesh ji and Deepak ji for giving me the opportunity to conduct a workshop. It was wonderful experience. I had almost 100 participants coming in. I also got good conversions and good inquiries after webinar, and it was very well organized. I do webinars so frequently as 5 webinars in a week, but conducting here was a beautiful experience.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you.
So hope you will come again for.
Definitely, I look forward to.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sarika, ma'am.
Ritesh ji, can I take my turn?
Yeah, Bhushan ji, please.
Thank you so much. Hi, good evening all. I am Bhushan Oswal. I am representing my firm Venus Plylam and Hardware. We are based in Pune. We are dealing in plywoods, veneers, laminates, exclusive hardware fittings, as well as many much decorative items. Basically, we are dealing with the architects, interior designers, turnkey contractors, turnkey carpenters from and near and basically from Pune and nearby to from Pune. We are supplying till Kolhapur, Sangli, Solapur, or nearby Pune areas.
Members, please mute yourself. Members, please mute yourself.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
I think Deepak ji, the best way to conduct a meeting when there are 50 people and above, na, you should permanently mute everybody and you should unmute the person you want him to speak. तो उसमें क्या होगा, थोड़ा quorum मचा रहेगा. Otherwise, people will just not mute themselves and it will create a problem for you every night.
Right, right. You are right. 100% correct.
Ritesh, can you take care?
चले ना वहाँ पर.
Mr. Lalit, Mr. Raichand.
Hello, Deepak ji. Can I take a turn?
Yes, please.
Okay. Hi, my name is Shahil Shah. Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes. My name is Shahil Shah. I'm based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And basically, I work with architectural projects, interior projects, turnkey as well as consultancy. This is one of the part of the business. The second thing that we work on is VS Aqua Solutions. We provide solutions for hard scale, hard water scale issues. It can range from different sectors. It will be from in residence, in agriculture, in commercial factories and other areas also. The products that we provide are total eco-friendly. It doesn't use any electricity or any chemicals. Once it is installed, it has no maintenance, zero maintenance, and we provide it with 5 years replacement guarantee. So if anyone is looking out for a specialized solution, we provide it all over India. We manufacture it and it is our own in-house solution. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Neha Agarwal, ma'am. Neha Agarwal, ma'am. Please unmute yourself. Nitin Rishi. Mr. Nitin Rishi. Mr. Pushkar Gaikwad.
Yes, Nitin Rishi here.
Yes, please.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Nitin Rishi. I'm a founder and director of Coach Life Skills Unlimited. I basically belong to Indore and I've got more than 20 years of corporate experience in sales and development, training, coaching and education industries. And I'm basically a life skills coach, a corporate trainer. I'm a certified depression, career and relationship counselor and a motivational speaker too. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitin ji. Mr. Lalit.
Hello.
Yes,
Am I audible?
please. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. This is Lalit Kotecha, interior designer, Mumbai-based company. Company name is Ailas Interior. हम हाई एंड रेसिडेंशियल मल्टीप्लेक्स मिराज है, आइनॉक्स है, इस टाइप के और कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसेस डिजाइन करते हैं एज वेल एज टंकी प्रोजेक्ट्स. मुंबई गोरेगांव बेस्ड कंपनी. थैंक यू.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Chiku ji, Chiku Advimat.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hello. Yeah, this is Chiku Advimat. I'm interior designer and architect. I'm practicing in Pune from the last 15 years. Hello.
Yes, please.
Hello. Yeah, I'm practicing in Pune from the last 15 years. My scope of work is basically in the industrial area of Chakan. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ritesh, you also introduce, please. Ritesh Radekar.
Hi, this is Ritesh Radekar. I'm based from Pune and I'm therapy functional consultant by profession. And now I'm working for the automations, like if you have a data in Excel format and if you want to load in particular software, it will be just automated data entry. So this kind of things I'm working, and very soon we launching that things within a group, and whoever need the help and do this kind of work, so you can connect with me. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Ritesh. Neha Agarwal, ma'am. If anybody left, please can you unmute yourself and give
Hello.
introduction. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. I'm Sakira Lokhandwala from No Timber Overseas.
Yes,
Hello.
yes, please, ma'am.
Yeah, am
Yes,
I
please, ma'am.
audible properly, sir?
Yeah, ma'am. Please continue.
Okay. Sir, our manufacturing
we are
unit
audible.
is in Gandhidham, and we are based in Hyderabad and as well as in Bangalore. And we are manufacturing unit of doors, door frames, shuttering ply, plywood, block boards, and whatever timber related products. We have many products, and we have rosewood, teakwood, pinewood, salwood. Even if anyone wants in the cutting or raw logs, it is also available. And we are dealing with builders and developers for the big projects. In case if anyone has contacts with them, please help us to get connect to them, because it is very difficult to connect personally with them, because there are purchase managers in between. I don't know why, but they don't connect it directly. So in case if anyone has connections, please help us out. And also if anyone requires this doors and door frames, if anyone wants to customize it, if you like some design and you are not getting the proper people to make it, please let us know. We will help you. Thank you so much.
Sakira ji and Nitin Rishi ji, please drop your number. Na? I would like to talk to both of you.
Yeah, sure, sir. I'll do that.
And even Nitin Rishi ji, please.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Anyone left?
Hello, I'm Prasanna Deshpande. Would like to introduce.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes, please continue.
Am I audible? I am Prasanna Deshpande.
Yes, please continue.
Yeah. I am having a consultancy firm. We are providing consultancy to the manufacturing industries. Our specialization is in manufacturing industries. So we first provide a yield analysis of a ongoing or operating company, and then suggest them to increase the yield, improve the yield. And the second thing we do is the project management of any kind of project from scratch to the we will be doing the project management. And we also act.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Hello.
Your voice is not audible, sir.
Not audible. I'm sorry.
I think some connection is in the network.
Okay, let me check.
Sir, you drop your details on the chat box, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
सर जी मैं मेरा शब्द
Yeah, please continue.
सर मेरा नाम किशोर है और मेरा किशोर इंटीरियर से है और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है और बेड्स हॉस्पिटल बेड्स में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कराता हूँ हैदराबाद में और सिकंदराबाद की साइड से। टोटली तेलंगाना स्टेट्स में मेरा बेड्स का सप्लाई है हॉस्पिटलाइज का। ओके सर,
थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू।
तो आप बोल सकते हैं ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम आपका मीटिंग में आना हो रहा है और मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा किस हिसाब से मेरे को आपसे इंट्रोड्यूस करना पड़ेगा। ओके सर।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके।
Hello.
Anyone left?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hi, mates. Hope you are all doing well. This is Akash from Chennai. I'm an architect doing architectural and interior designing works. I also do 3D visualization works. If you have any projects, you can always contact me for the work. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I will drop my number here.
Yes. Nafisa ma'am. Yeah. Nafisa ma'am.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, Neha ma'am.
Is it audible, sir?
No, audible.
Hello.
Yeah, audible, ma'am. You can talk.
Yeah,
Please.
myself Neha Agarwal. I am a freelancer designer. I am doing residential interior, hospitality interior, as well as commercial, official interior also. Any kind of project regarding freelancing. So can you contact me? Any kind of freelance work, either interior work or turnkey projects. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, your location, ma'am?
From Delhi, sir.
Okay.
Noor Timbers.
Sir, I've already spoken, sir. I've introduced.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Sakira Lokhandwala. I'm from No Timber Overseas.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Anyone left? Anyone left? Please unmute yourself. Yeah, Galaxy Tab A.
Hello, Praveen here. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear?
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Hello.
Audible?
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Okay. Praveen here from Mumbai.
So anyone left, you can unmute yourself and talk.
Hi, this is Suraj.
Yeah, Vikas ji.
Sorry, कुछ बोल रहे थे. I just want to continue. Please continue, please.
Yeah, hi, this is Suraj. I am from Delhi and I am a freelancer digital marketer, and I have been practicing this for last 3 or 4 years, and I help businesses to build use social media and the benefit of digital platforms. So if anyone wants to like have their website built or need any help in like social media management, email marketing, or maybe ads, so they can like reach out to me. So yeah, that's it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Abhishek, you have raised
Hello.
the hand.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, please. Yes, please.
My name is Abhishek Mehrotra. I am a brick manufacturer of fly ash interlocking checker tiles. In the last 8 to 10 years, मतलब इसको मैं बना रहा हूँ ब्रिक्स को, और मेरे अच्छी खासी जिसकी मैं फ्लाई ब्रिक में मैंने काफ़ी कुछ रिसर्च कर रखा है. अगर कोई प्लांट वगैरह इसमें लगाना चाहता है तो उसको मैं टेक्निकल गाइड्स पूरे दे सकता हूँ विद पूरी तरह की प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट के साथ कि कैसे प्रोजेक्ट लगाना है, कैसे प्रॉफिट आएगी, कैसे माल सेटअप होगा, सब कुछ अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगा.
Okay. Sir, you drop your number on the chat box.
Okay. Thank you.
Galaxy Tab A.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Voice is audible?
Sir, you are not audible. You drop your details on a chat box, please.
Yeah, sure.
So, anyone left? विकास जी, आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
Yeah, good evening. So दीपक जी, मुझे आज पता करना था कि आज जितने भी members आए हैं, with all due respect, I really appreciated everybody's contribution to the group. But basically, I think 90 to 92% were from architectural and interior background. Have I missed something? Because this first session was only for that, or it
No,
was
no,
for
sir.
basically
Mix, sir. Mix.
mixed?
People,
Okay,
yeah.
so it is blessing in disguise. I would like to tell all the interior people and the architectural people who are there in this group or are connected to any sort of infrastructure work. I can assure you an income of around 50 to 60 lakh rupees additional to what you're doing right now, with nothing at all. You don't need to diversify anything in what you're doing. जो आप प्रोजेक्ट में काम कर रहे हो, उसी प्रोजेक्ट में अगर आप मेरी एक दो चीजें अगर मानते हो, you can add another 50 to 60 lakh rupees per annum to your business. So please do contact me. I can definitely help you out in growing your business as well as your income in that particular project that you're doing. So please do let me know. Thanks.
Yeah, hi, Vikas. Can I call you in the morning? This is Balchand here from Bangalore.
Yes, sir, Mr. Bajan. Anybody, I'm dropping my number once more in the column. Please do contact me
Yeah, I
all
have
the
the
interior
number.
and
I have the
architecture.
number.
Please.
Yeah, we have met in the last webinar also.
Yeah, please do call me. We can touch
Yeah.
base and do something big in your business.
Yeah, fine, sir. I'll be contacting you in the morning. Thank you.
Deepak ji, can I add something?
Yeah, Rahulji, please.
Yeah. So basically, as Vikas ji also said, more of the fraternity is from architectural background and construction background. So if everyone can send their manpower, as if now everybody knows that there is a crunch of manpower available in the market. So if you guys can share, like you have 2 people, 3 people, maybe 10 people, maybe 100 people available with you with the location. So that would be helpful for everyone. So for example, I'm running a project in maybe Ahmedabad, maybe in Surat, but I'm having a manpower crunch. So if somebody can help me in that region and
Yes, sir. You can contact me. I will be able to help you out in this.
Perfect.
Even I'm an interior decorator.
Perfect. So if you can just share your credentials with the manpower available across the locations, that would be helpful for everyone.
Yeah,
So
I can
not just
require. I can. Yeah, wherever you are requiring, we can have send the workers if you want.
Perfect.
The manpower also.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Hello, sir.
I'm dropping my contact number. You can have him.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Dipesh ji. Yes, Dipesh
Yeah,
ji.
I am Deepesh also. I also have labor. I have also manpower. If anybody requires, they can call me also. I am only into civil field, but I have contact of civil labor, furniture labor, everything. So if anybody requires, they can call me also.
Perfect. Please drop your numbers and.
Yeah, I have dropped it. I will drop it again. Yeah, surely.
Perfect,
Yeah.
Deepak ji. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And if anybody wants civil help, I can do it. Civil construction related. Yeah.
Your location, sir?
I am from Pune, but we work all over in India.
All over India.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Please drop your number also. I'll have a look on it.
Yeah, sure.
We're looking for civil work person and interior person. So in South, if anybody will do that, and can you please drop the number?
Pardon, I didn't get you.
Yeah, this is Nelson Kumar calling from AP. Actually, we required civil contract person and all interior trunky who are doing trunky project South. So we are
Okay.
looking for that service person. Can you, any person do that civil work
Yeah,
and all
we are
interior
into
works?
interior turnkey projects. So we does even civil and as well as interior projects. Yeah.
You're from?
Yeah, I am from Bangalore. We does all over India.
Sure. Can you please drop your name and your number?
Yeah, I'm sharing my contact number. And please share me your contact
Your
number
good
so
name,
that
please?
my name is Balchand.
Balchand. Okay.
from BJ Decors.
My name is Nelson Kumar.
Nelson Kumar. Yeah, please drop me your number
Sir,
so
drop
that
your
I'll be
number also,
contacting
yeah.
madam.
Yeah.
I'll drop my number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Nikita ma'am and Vikas sir, your closing remark.
Closing remark. I'll be very honest with you. There are many groups that I've been interacting with. This is one fine group, a group which really understands what is the meaning of business and interacting and passing on referrals and passing on, good contacts. So I will just request Deepak ji that at the end of the meeting, there should be one minute noting, and that noting, like somebody said he's an interior, somebody is a turnkey. So जैसे वो एक I don't know, one somebody had also suggested in the beginning that a guide or a directory should be maintained, and I think if that is done, it will really be helpful region wise and work wise, and I think that will be good. And once you start the paid membership sensibly with me and everybody, we can create a profile for them, and before everybody introduces, that profile comes up, and that introduction can be given. And I'm sure this group is going to do well, because I joined this group when this group was doing nothing. In fact, Deepak ji and Ritesh ji and Amitabh ji had recently started this group, and the way they are growing, tremendous. I really appreciate your hard work, Deepak ji, and God bless you. You're doing a good job, and wherever I am required, I'm one phone call away. Thank you very much, Deepak ji.
Thank you, sir. Nikita ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Balchan ji, please.
Yeah, this group is really awesome. I like the group. Thank you.
Thank you. Nikita ma'am. Ritesh, should we wind up now? So anyone want to talk? You can unmute yourself and you can freely talk.
Hello.
So this Zoom meeting will conduct every month or?
Sorry?
This meeting is in daily, in a week, twice a week.
Twice a week.
Yeah, Tuesday and Friday.
Okay, where we get the link for this contact? How can we join the meeting? So who is the authorized person to contact?
It will be given.
Sir, links will drop in a WhatsApp group. I hope you are in our WhatsApp group or not.
Yes, I already shared my number in chat.
You are not.
Interiors.
Sir, you are not in our WhatsApp group.
No. I'm the new member. Right now, today I'm joining this.
Okay, fine.
Meeting.
We will add you. No issue.
Yeah. Our company name is Royals in Interiors. Already I shared my details in chat.
Yeah, sure.
Hello. I have one.
5538.
Yes, please.
Yeah, please.
Hello.
Hanji, who is this? Yes, please.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, Ishwarji.
Regarding this membership, I think since it is a beginning, better to keep it free for another few days. And those who have done a business on because of this group, they have to give some benefit to the this one club or some whatever you can say. And another thing, this regarding membership, I think better to maintain one Excel sheet so that if anything service is needed, so that we can find out them easily. Because sometimes what happens, no needed people who put the message in WhatsApp group, but the service provider may not be seeing that matter.
So, sir,
Message.
for a membership,
that is the possibility of missing.
Sir, for a membership, Vikas sir, because everyone is suggesting
Yes,
for
sir.
membership. So right now I am announcing for this particular batch who have attended today. For 3 months, we can go for 1,000 rupees.
So please do send the link. Please do
Yeah.
send the link, sir.
This is only offer for this batch only and for 2 days only.
Great, sir. You please do send the link, sir. Please do send the link.
Those who have attended today our meet, this offer is for 2 days and for these members only. So we will send this link for you only.
Great,
Right?
sir. Great. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Thank you, sir.
So thanks everyone for joining. Let's meet on Friday. We are conducting a webinar on a sales, how to close the sales. So do join that webinar. It's a very good webinar to how to close the sales. Ritesh, we are conducting that on 2nd October.
But
Thanks,
one thing I want to say, please see the time. Time
definitely, but okay, that we will surely work out. That we will surely work out.
No, that is very
Batukji,
important.
Batukji,
Yes, बताइए.
Batukji, Vikas Chawla Bora, I will need to contact you for UP something big. Let's talk.
Yes, very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So is this morning time suits to everyone?
Morning, I
for me,
think
there is not an issue, sir.
after 11:30.
11:30, okay.
एक्चुअली क्या है मालूम दीपक, ये कोविड टाइम के अंदर ना अगर आप 11:30 का टाइम रखेंगे तो भी अच्छा है, पर 11:30 लेडीज को प्रॉब्लम होगी बिकॉज दे हैव टू कुक एंड ऑल द घर के प्रॉब्लम होती है ना. आई विल सजेस्ट जस्ट अ सजेशन कि अगर दोपहर को 2 to 3 या 3 to 4, because I have seen a lot of ladies participating and they are doing very well in the field. सो अगर उनके लिए भी आप कंसिडर करेंगे 3 to 4:30 रखेंगे ना सर, तो लेडीज भी पार्टिसिपेट कर पाएंगी और जेंट्स भी करेंगे। 5-6 बजे के बाद क्या होता है, जेंट्स हैव टू गो डाउन, कि कोई सामान लेके आना, घर के लिए कुछ लेके आना। तो आई थिंक 3 to 4:30 इज अ वेरी गुड टाइम इफ इट इज अ सजेशन एक्सेप्टेड बाय एवरीबॉडी।
Yes, yes, Vikas sir is right. It will be better for us if meeting is conducted 3 to 5.
Deepak
3
ji,
to 5 years.
Yeah,
That's good.
it will be better for us.
See, it can be changed anytime, no problem. If return creates some problem, then we can change also. Not the way. It is in our hand, na. Time can be changed anytime.
Yeah, absolutely.
Deepak ji, can I say something?
Yes, Lalit ji.
दीपक जी, एक सजेशन है, अगर इंट्रोडक्शन अपना इसमें सब टेक्स्ट में होता है, इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट अगर किसी को स्क्रीन शेयर करके उसका प्रॉपर पोर्टफोलियो दिखाया जाए, जैसे अपना
एक छोटा सा प्रोफाइल, वो एक
छोटा सा,
हम लोग
क्योंकि क्या है, ये इतने सारे सबका इंट्रोडक्शन होता है ना,
That will be for paid members.
नहीं रहता है।
सर, वो खाली पेड मेंबर्स का प्रोफाइल बनेगा, पेड मेंबर्स का। वो खाली पेड मेंबर्स का, बिकॉज़ सर रोज गेस्ट आते हैं, गेस्ट का पेज हमेशा नहीं बन सकता है। अब आगे जाके जब पेड मेंबर्स होंगे ना, 500 1000 पेड मेंबर्स होंगे या 200 पेड मेंबर होंगे, तो उनका गेस्ट प्रोफाइल बन, दैट इज द बेस्ट, दैट इज व्हाट दीपक जी राइट है कि हर किसी का पेज नहीं बन सकता है।
हाँ, जो मेंबर है, यस यू राइट,
जो पेड मेंबर बने उनका पेज बनेगा, दैट इज राइट, वो बनना चाहिए।
those who are serious।
क्या है, हर एक अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देता है, फिर वो उसमें टाइम ज्यादा चला जाता है। किसी को बात करना, किसी को कुछ एक्सप्लेन करना है उसके प्रोजेक्ट के रिगार्डिंग या किसी कुछ सर्विसेज के बारे में, उसको टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है, क्योंकि इंट्रोडक्शन में सब टाइम चला जाता है। क्योंकि एटलीस्ट एवरी वीक अगर सपोज हम रखते हैं, क्योंकि एक दिन पहले 2 से 3 लोग स्टार्टिंग में, चलो हम 1-2 महीना फ्री रखेंगे, पर स्टार्टिंग में अगर फ्री रखते हैं तो एक दिन पहले हम कुछ प्रिपरेशन करके 2 या 3 लोगों को बुला के वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हैं, प्रॉपर प्रोफाइल के साथ या जो कुछ भी है क्रेडेंशियल के साथ। जस्ट सजेशन।
और मालूम है दीपक जी, एक बात बताऊं, जैसे जैसे आपके मेंबर्स बढ़ेंगे ना सर, आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ मीटिंग भी बढ़ानी पड़ेगी। हफ्ते में 2 की जगह हफ्ते में 4, 5, 3 करना पड़ेगा आपको, बिकॉज जैसे जैसे फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ती है, पीपल अपने टाइम के हिसाब से एडजस्ट करना चाहते होंगे आपके साथ, तो आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी थोड़ा आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी भी बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। जैसे मैं को बताता हूँ, मेरा एक ग्रुप है, हम एक ग्रुप में है ना, उसमें क्या होता है, इन द मॉर्निंग रीजनल मीटिंग होती है। मॉर्निंग खाली पूना के मेंबर्स और जो ज्वाइन करना चाहे पूना के, फिर एक जगह बॉम्बे के मेंबर्स होंगे, फिर एक जगह दिल्ली के मेंबर्स होगा। शाम को होता है कंबाइंड मीटिंग फॉर एवरीबॉडी। तो इसमें क्या होता है कि आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ानी पड़ेगी, डेफिनेटली फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ानी पड़ेगी। वो आप देखिएगा जरा।
Absolutely. Best brand of each and every material also.
ठीक बात बता, ठीक बात। It is right, correct.
हर एक को चांस मिलना चाहिए कुछ प्रेजेंट करने का।
इसमें एक्चुअली बेटर रहेगी अगर आप
जो प्रोफाइल है पेड में रहेगा तो ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा। वो
प्रोफाइल को अगर आप एडवांस में शेयर कर लोगे,
जो प्रेजेंटेशन होगा खाली पेड मेंबर्स के लिए होगा, गेस्ट के लिए पेड प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं होगा। गेस्ट का खाली इंट्रो होगा। जो पेड मेंबर्स होंगे वो अपना प्रेजेंटेशन भी दे पाएंगे और बातचीत भी कर पाएंगे। दैट इज द बेस्ट वे टू ग्रो द ग्रुप। दैट इज द ओनली वे। वरना क्या, गेस्ट को भी अगर वो फैसिलिटी मिल रही है, पेड मेंबर्स को भी वो फैसिलिटी मिल रही है, तो पेड क्यों करेगा कोई?
स्टार्टिंग में क्या है, 2-3 ऐसे वेबिनार हो जाएंगे ना, तो पता चलेगा लोगों, तो गेस्ट भी फिर मेंबरशिप के लिए अट्रैक्ट होते हैं।
Any of member have seen our that for the membership. It is clearly mentioned that business meeting or the whoever or invite member, the time span will be given more for them for any kind of product presentation or business opportunities presentation. That time will be given more general free members. So there will be meeting will be different for the business discussions. So if you have proposals, it is clearly mentioned in it. So these ideas we can work out and we can.
Hello, Deepak ji, are you thinking doing something on the same line of BNI or something like that? That the group people will share the projects with each other, or
definitely.
There is some kind of system.
Yeah, that is one part. What BNI doing, that we are also doing. But second part is we are also enhancing the skills of our members. we are arranging regular webinars. We are not stopping after this. We will continue our webinars, what we are doing in the past. So we will try to enhance the skills of our members. Like we are arranging another webinar on next Saturday, where how to close the sales. That BNI is not doing. Second, we are in coming months, we are also helping the members to collaboration. If someone want to collaborate from Pune to Mumbai, Mumbai to Delhi, that also we will play a mediator role also. Means BNI is one part, but there are few different things also in our lineup. So we will go step by step, right?
Right, sir. Thank you. Definitely promising. Looks promising, sir. Thank you.
One thing I would like to say something on this regard.
Yeah,
as you can see, we are taking a webinar on different topics. This group is about educating the people and understanding their problems also. So we are conducting webinar on different issues, like we had earlier done on finance, on construction, and now on the sales. So we'll go on conducting webinar on different aspects as per your members' requirement.
Yes, Chikuji. So any other suggestions or anyone to talk? उमेश जी, you want to talk something?
दीपक जी, मैं बोल रहा था आपको एक सजेशन जो बात करने लगे थे कि अगर हम प्रोफाइल पहले से शेयर कर लेंगे तो वी बी एबल टू जज के हु ऑल आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग. अगर एक छोटा प्रोफाइल, अगर ब्रीफ प्रोफाइल भी हो जाता है तो इज बेटर. बट इट इज फॉर पेड, तो गेस्ट तो कम रहेंगे, तो जो पेड है उनके लिए आप कम से कम कर सकते हैं.
थोड़ा सा
प्रोफाइल आपका जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनके प्रोफाइल अगर पहले से एडवांस में शेयर कर लेंगे.
Okay. So that we will form a separate group for elite members. Means we will form a बिल्कुल separate group for elite members.
और हम दिल्ली एनसीआर भी जो कर रहे हैं, आपने ऑलरेडी ऐसा कर रखा है क्योंकि या तो वेबसाइट बनाई हुई है या उसके ऊपर हम एडवांस भी शेयर कर देते हैं.
Okay. ठीक है सर, एब्सोल्युटली.
सर जी, ये पेमेंट कैसा देना पड़ेगा आपको?
80%.
हेलो.
Yeah, we will share the account details. Yeah, we will share the account details. Who is this?
दीपक जी, मैं किशोर बोल रहा हूँ हैदराबाद से, इंटीरियर.
Okay.
सर, ये पेमेंट कैसा करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को?
सर अकाउंट डिटेल शेयर कर देंगे हम, जो भी इंटरेस्टेड.
ओके, अपने ग्रुप में आप एक रिपीट करिए ना अकाउंट नंबर एंड डिटेल्स, तो मैं पे करता हूँ.
डन सर. आप अपना नंबर ड्रॉप कर लीजिए. आप एक बार मैं रितेश, मेरा और अपना नंबर ड्रॉप कर दीजिए प्लीज, रितेश.
ओके.
अपना भी नंबर.
Deepak ji, I suggest for introduction also, if there is a predetermined format, so that the information from everybody will be easy to compile at your end. And we also are confident that whatever you need, the information is given to you.
Absolutely.
So I suggest if there is a single format circulated in the group, that will be much better than everybody presenting by their own way.
Perfect.
I think so, because it is not to impress our members, but actually we should be able to impress the person who is giving us the work.
Absolutely.
So that's my suggestion, sir.
Absolutely. Done, sir. Done.
And for today, Deepak ji, if you can share the chat to chat में save करके अगर you can share, so we'll be able to connect people with those common interests.
Sure. So, should we close now?
Right, Deepak ji. Thank you very much for this wonderful session. Thank you all the guests and all the members. I really appreciate being here. God bless everybody. Deepak ji, Godspeed. Ritesh ji, excellent work. Amitabh ji agar hain aur Chiku ji, God bless everybody. They're doing a wonderful job. Yeah.
Thank you,
sir.
राजीव, अपना प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल्स शेयर कीजिएगा. आपका प्रोजेक्ट कुछ आपने शेयर नहीं किया.
Sure, sir. Let's talk one-on-one. God bless everybody. Bye-bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, very much.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful webinar today.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vinay ji.